One of the most important things to any cruise passenger is the dining options available on board your next cruise. And Carnival Cruise Line, a juggernaut in the industry, is rolling out menu changes fleet-wide. Let's get into some information about when your next Carnival cruise may have a new menu. Welcome to the Midships Minutes. I'm your Captain Corey. We've got an article coming out from cruisehive.com by Melissa Meance. Carnival confirms fleet-wide new menu rollout dates. That's right, this is coming to your Carnival cruise whether you like it or not. Carnival Cruise Line has gradually begun to roll out the new revamped and refreshed main dining room menu to their fleet of 25 ships with great guest feedback. And I am excited about great guest feedback because that's the big important thing here. If people are loving this new menu, well, then it sounds to me like you should be excited about this. And something else that you should be loving and excited about, well, it's everything right in here in the Midships Amazon store. In there, you can find everything I take with me every single time I cruise. I think you would love those items on your next cruise as well. Check it out. There's a link in the description down below. Let's get back into the article. First, having appeared aboard Carnival Dream, the new menu is already available on several other Carnival ships, and now the cruise line has confirmed the dates for the new menu to be introduced to the remainder of their fleet. This is exciting, y'all. We got new food coming out. If you're a Carnival loyal cruiser, if you're a platinum or a diamond cruiser, I tell you what, it's exciting. It is really exciting to know that your next cruise, it might feature food that you've never eaten before with Carnival Cruise Line. I think change is a good thing. Gradually, a little bit of change. You don't want to lose everything, right? You don't want to say, have Guy's Burger suddenly disappear on a Carnival ship, which I doubt is ever going to happen. But you know what I'm saying, right? You have guests who were used to certain food items. I order the same food pretty much every night on a Carnival, well, every night. You know how the menu is pretty much the same on a 7-night cruise. Whether you're cruising on the Splendor or you're cruising on the Dream, you're going to find basically the same menu items. And as a person who's cruised Carnival dozens of times, well, I know what I'm going to order every night. And so this is going to be exciting to me, but it's also going to pose some challenges. Let's see what's going on with this rollout here. Carnival Cruise Line's new main dining room menu, which includes entree salads, Emerald select options. Yes, I say Emerald, not Emerald. I have a speech issue with that word. And a total of more than 60 new dishes was first tested on board the Carnival Dream in June. After a variety of tweaks and adjustments based on popularity and guest feedback, several additional ships received the new menu in July, including the Conquest and Horizon. Actually, shockingly, those are two Carnival ships I have not cruised on. Have you ever cruised on either of those? Let me know about them in the comments. Which one should I pick first? I'm guessing most of you will say Horizon. Yeah. The new menu has begun a full-phased rollout to all of the ships in Carnival's fleet. Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, John Heald, has announced the dates of when the new menu will be brought aboard the remaining ships, with several ships receiving the new menu each month through the end of the year. Heald says, there have been so many wonderful reviews here and by guests on board regarding the new dining room menus that are currently on some of our ships. Many of you have asked when other ships will be receiving the new menu, so I thought you should know. To date, in addition to Dream, Conquest, and Horizon, the new menu has been spotted aboard Carnival Sunrise and Carnival Vista as well. The remaining ships to receive the menu and the cruise departure dates when it will first be offered are as follows. Radiance and Mardi Gras on 8/18 and 8/19 respectively. In September, the Breeze and Panorama, Celebration, Valor, and Miracle received the new menu throughout the month. In October, Glory, Liberty, Sunshine, Elation, and Magic received their opportunity to have new foods. In November, you'll see the Paradise, Freedom, and Spirit receiving the new menu. And then in December, Legend and Jubilee, although Jubilee is TBD. It's likely that Jubilee will get that menu probably before Christmas, if I would have to guess. Now, Carnival Pride appears to be missing from the published list, but will still receive the new menu in the upcoming months. What do you think about this new menu change? Have you experienced it on one of your Carnival cruises? Is it something that you look forward to? Or are you a little bit on this whole change thing? I know there's a lot of people out there. I know it because I firsthand do this. You just kind of get set in your ways. You know what you like. So this kind of change might not be a welcome thing. This is your part where you contribute to the Midships Minutes. Head on down to the comments. Let me know your thoughts on the new Carnival menu, and make sure you get subscribed here. The next Midships Minutes episode drops in 2 hours. We'll see you then.
la 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 la